everyone, I am Deepshikha Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Law and Governance, Vishwakarma University, Pune. Online teaching was altogether a very new experience for me. It opened new avenues of how knowledge can be imparted and gained. Would like to share my experience and observation which can benefit the teaching fraternity, as I feel this will be a paradigm shift for many industries in future. Our university took timely call of conducting online lectures which played a vital role during these turbulent times of COVID-19. This initiative fulfilled the need of students as their academics were not hampered due to lockdown. We will have to be acquainted of replicating the physical teaching model online also by taking measures to enhance the engagement of learners. We should emphasize more on flipped teaching. Lastly, we should understand the difficulties of students while using these online platforms and render some immediate solutions to avoid constant challenges. To conclude, I will just quote Zig Ziglar's saying, "If you are not willing to learn, no one can help, but if you are determined to learn, no one can stop." Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Professor Vaishali from Vishwakarma University, and today I am here to share my experiences, my online teaching learning experiences with you all. So overall it was a mixed feeling and experiences to share with you all in this pandemic situation, because students was eager sometime, but sometime they were in confused status because of this uncertain changes. But taking the changes positively is the way. Communication between teacher and student is definitely important. Media doesn't matter. So whether media can be anything like Google Classroom or VOLP or Zoom or anything else, students want their teachers on a peak of positivity. So sharing the knowledge with various tools online, coping up with the technology was amazing experience as far as teaching is concerned. So overall it was a good experience. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Payal Chopra. I'm from Vishwakarma University studying in BA-ID first year. As we all know, we aren't able to attend our colleges, so we are attending online lectures. Learning online is very easier and we are also saving a lot of time. Our teachers are really taking a lot of effort and trying to solve every student's query as soon as possible. They have also been conducting mentor-mentee session in which a student can come up with their problem and the teachers try to solve it as fast as they can. And it's a bit difficult for teachers also to solve every student's doubt at the same time. Teachers conduct their lectures online and they help us solve their queries on Zoom application, WhatsApp, calling, Google Classroom and the other means of communication. Not only in academics, teachers are also trying to improve the students in extra activities also. Online teaching has built up a better bond between the teacher and a student. I would like to thank all the ID faculty for putting their extra efforts and teaching all the students in such a difficult time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Isha Vikas Patil. I am pursuing BBLLB at Vishwakarma University, Pune. I would intend to share my thought on online learning platform. During this pandemic time, my professors have taken the online approach to impart knowledge. There is no denying the fact that it is a need of hour which is well responded by the law department. I have been enjoying this online session in the comfort of my home. I believe it has increased my concentration and willingness to learn, as well as it has motivated me to learn. Moreover, it has provided me with ample amount of time to invest in many other activities. In the end, I will thank the entire law department and university for ensuring continuous knowledge flow. I wholeheartedly extend my full support during this tough time. Thank you.